How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share with everybody that you know. Thank you. Bye. Welcome to J Stack's World. I am your host, the Funko Good Guy. How's it going today? Today I got this box from, I don't know if you guys can see it, Galaxy Toys. This is Naruto. I'm sorry if I said that wrong, but I bought 3 Naruto. They were $9.95. I bought 3 of them. Out of 1,000, there'll be a limited edition prototype running Naruto figure. So let's open this up to see what we got today. I am ready. Are you guys ready? Let's do this. Okay, it's a box inside of a, 3. So, I got 3 individual boxes. So I got 2 that are like this, and I got 1 that's taped up. Wonder what's in there. That was the only thing that was in there. So, let's save this one for last, because it's taped up, and then this one isn't. So let's see what we get for the first one, okay? Are you guys ready? Because I am. So let's open up. Let's see. Oh. Let's see who I got. Oh, Borderlands. I thought this was supposed to be a Naruto, but okay. Okay, I'll take it. Borderlands 3, Lilith. That's what I got. I don't know if you guys can see it. I don't want to get the glare on it, so. Okay, that was the first one. Oh, my bad. I mean, it has some package dust. There's a little crease right there. I don't know if y'all can see that. Nope, there is nothing other than this little crease right there. Won't really hurt the value. Other than that, this one is really good shape. I'm gonna put this one right here for now. So are you guys ready for the next one? Let's see what we got. In the back it says Pride and Prejudice Zombies. Let's see what we got. Who do we got? We got Parson Collins. Let's see, it's really dusty right here. Let's see what we got. Just dusty, little scratches, but nothing really to hurt the top of the box. More packaging dust. Let's see. Wonder when this one came out. I do not see nothing wrong with this box. So I got 2 boxes that are really great condition. So this one and this one. So I just want to know, are you guys ready for this one? Let's see if we got the prototype one. Limited edition, 1 out of 1,000. Let's see if we got it. I'm gonna do my best to cut as light as I can because I don't want to mess it up. And I'm gonna let you guys see it first before I do. I am not gonna peek. Oh, whoa. This one's in a bubble wrap. This one is in a soft protector. Whoa, let's see what we got. Whoa, this one came in a soft protector. Dragon Ball Z Xeon. This is a Galaxy Toys collectible exclusive. Nice. We didn't get the prototype, but we got an exclusive. Oh my goodness. Let's see what we got. Oh, snaps. This one is in very, very, very good condition. Oh, that is pretty dope. I am happy with what we got. So all three of these are in really good condition. Now here we go. Let's see how much each one is. So let's bring out the Funko app, the handy dandy Funko app. Let's see what we got. So this one is coming, Lilith is coming in at $10. Add that to the collection. Let's scan another one. Let's see. Parson Collins? Sorry if I screwed up that name. He's coming in at a whole $7. And now, let's see how Zeno. Let's see how much Zeno is worth. Ooh, I might have to take him out of the. Nope. No, I do not. Dragon Ball Z Zeno is worth $14. So 24, let me see, 10, 8, 14. So Collins was worth 7, Lilith was worth 10, and Zeo was worth $14. Let's see what it adds up to. Everything comes out to $31. Let's see, I paid about $35 with shipping and handling. So I come up a little shy of. Ooh, I just noticed this now. I don't know if you guys could see it. This little one right there. A little, might not hurt the damage, but I really don't know. So. But with all three pops, not a bad catch today. I'm happy with what we got. This is the Funko Good Guy signing off. Till next time, bye.